Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, excuse me. Is this seat free?
Hi, yes, it is. Please have a seat.
Thank you. My name is Emma. I'm new in this class, and I'm very excited to meet everyone.
Hi, Emma. I'm David. Welcome to our class. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, David. I just arrived this week, and I'm a bit nervous but very excited.
I understand. My first day was exciting too. Let's introduce ourselves. What is your name again?
My name is Emma. I am 19 years old. I come from a small town in the north. I live with my family there.
That sounds nice. I am David, and I'm 20 years old. I live in a big city, but my hometown is not far from here.
Oh, really? I like the idea of living in a city. It must be very busy.
Yes, it is busy, but I like it, because there are many things to do. So, what are you studying, Emma?
I study business administration. I chose this field because I want to learn about management and work in a company one day. What about you, David?
I study computer science. I enjoy working with computers and coding. I want to become a software engineer in the future.
That is very interesting. Business and technology are very important today.
Yes, they are. I think we can learn a lot from each other because our fields are different but connected.
That's true. Now, can you tell me about your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
Sure, in my free time, I love playing football with my friends. I also like reading, especially science fiction novels, and I enjoy playing video games. What about you, Emma?
I love drawing and painting. I also enjoy reading books, especially stories about adventure and mystery. Sometimes I listen to music while I study or relax.
That sounds wonderful. I like to listen to music too, especially pop and soft rock. Music helps me relax after a long day of classes.
Yes, music is very relaxing. I often listen to music while I draw. It makes me feel creative and happy.
Do you like to travel as well?
Yes, I do. I have traveled to a few cities in my country. I love to visit new places, try local food, and meet different people. How about you?
I also enjoy traveling. I went on a small trip last summer with my family to a coastal city. I love the beach and the fresh sea air.
That sounds like a great trip. I have always dreamed of visiting the beach and seeing the ocean.
You should definitely plan a trip to the beach someday. It is a very nice experience.
I will. I also want to learn more about different cultures. Traveling is a good way to learn about history, art, and traditions.
Yes, I agree. When we travel, we learn about history, art, and even how people live. It is an adventure that opens our minds.
Let's talk about our classes. How many classes do you have this semester, David?
I have about 5 classes. I take computer programming, mathematics, and some general education courses. What about you?
I have 6 classes. I take Introduction to Business, Marketing, Economics, and a few language courses. Sometimes it feels a bit heavy, but I'm excited to learn.
It sounds like we both have a busy schedule. I try to make a daily schedule to manage my time between classes, study, and hobbies.
That is a good idea. I need to learn how to manage my time better. Sometimes I study in the library after classes because it is quiet there.
The library is a great place for studying. I also sometimes work in the campus cafe. It is quiet, and you can have a cup of coffee while you study.
I like the cafe too. I enjoy a cup of coffee and a snack while I read or work on my assignments.
What kind of coffee do you like, Emma?
I usually drink latte. It's smooth and not too strong. And you?
I like black coffee. It wakes me up and helps me concentrate.
Black coffee is good too. So, do you have any plans for joining clubs or groups on campus?
Yes, I plan to join the computer club and the sports club. I love playing football and coding. What about you, Emma?
I want to join the art club and the business club. I like art and I want to learn more about business trends. I also want to join a language exchange group to improve my English.
That is a great plan. Meeting people with the same interests is a good way to make friends and learn new skills.
I agree. Making friends is one of the best parts of starting at a new university.
Yes, I remember when I first came here, I was nervous about meeting new people. But then I joined a study group, and that helped me a lot.
I hope I can join a study group too. I believe studying together makes learning easier and more fun.
Definitely. You can share ideas and help each other with assignments.
By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
I plan to visit the campus cafe with some friends, and then go to a football match on Saturday afternoon. What about you?
I'm planning to visit an art exhibition at the local gallery on Saturday. I also want to relax in the park on Sunday and maybe read a new book.
That sounds like a perfect weekend. I enjoy both sports and art.
I think it is good to have a balance between work, study, and fun activities.
I agree. University is not only about studying, it is also about growing as a person and making memories.
Yes, I want to enjoy my time here and make many new friends.
You will, Emma. Our university is full of friendly and interesting people. I remember my first semester and how much I learned from my classmates.
I'm excited to start this new chapter in my life. I believe that every new day is a chance to learn something new and meet someone interesting.
That is a very positive way to think, Emma. I'm happy you're here. I hope we can become good friends and help each other succeed.
I hope so too, David. It's great to meet someone who is friendly and supportive.
I'll send you a message later, so we can plan to meet at the campus cafe or join the study group.
That would be wonderful, David. I'm looking forward to our next conversation.
Me too, Emma. I'm sure our friendship will make our time at the university even more enjoyable.
Thank you, David. I feel very happy after talking with you today.
Thank you, Emma. I enjoyed our conversation very much. Have a great day, and see you in class.
See you in class, David. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Emma.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.